Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live trading session. Looks like we got some delay here on YouTube. Let me check here. Are we good? Are we good? I think we're good. Hopefully we're good. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Sorry, I got distracted a little bit. Let's go. We got Hamsters. How you doing, buddy? Faris, good morning. Sasha, good morning, guys. Give me one second. I was actually trying to set up my walking pad at the same time. So I'm just gonna plug this in and we're gonna get going, guys. I didn't look at the update on the market this morning yet, so we're gonna do that together. Um, Also, gonna have a quick talk about yes, I'm putting my walking pad. So last time it was working great, and it was not making that much it was not making crazy noise. So I guess we can keep doing it so I can get my steps in. You know, am I good here with the camera? Okay, sorry guys. Let's do this. All right, we're good. All right, so let's get going, guys. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, make sure you do so. Make sure you activate notification. As you saw this morning, I don't have specific time, so I go on when I go on. Okay, so I hate having specific time, especially that this morning I had to prepare, man, a lot of shit. Like this is all notes to breed my horse, this morning in photo finish game, which is crazy. Making money with this thing, man. Okay, so enough talking. Let's go do more trading. Let's put this bigger and let's get going, guys. Okay, so we got an alert popped in last night for NZD GPY. So we're gonna go check it out. Let me just increase the speed on this first. There we go. Let's go. All right. So morning, guys. Okay, let's get going. Let's start with NZD GPY since we got an alert on this one. So I'm gonna put this screen bigger. Oh, actually, I forgot to put this little note here to the down to the bottom. Let's see. Where is it? Banner. Hey, oops. What did I do? There we go. Perfect. All right, we're good to go. Drop this camera a bit. All right, cool. So we got NZD GPY here. Holy, what the hell happened there? Okay, so let's start with the weekly time frame. Let's get our tool over here. All right, now we're good. And guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask. I saw comments popping up, so don't worry. I'll go check them out. Okay, so let's start. So we got the NZD GPY. Here we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We came down to retest this area of interest, which is a weekly area of interest. So that's good. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily, okay, so this is what I was waiting for. This is why you saw the alert popping out, because I had an alert here at this line to notify me when daily will flip bullish. And by the way, guys, as you come in, make sure to smash that goddamn like button, okay? Trying hard to build back the audience. I know I'm gonna be repeating myself for people that's been there already, but man, we used to have like hundreds of people live here, thousands of views, and took a huge break. And since then, huge hustle to build it back. So, anyways, so if you can help, make sure to help drop that like button, okay? Okay, so now we don't know yet. Okay, we don't know yet if the daily is gonna turn bullish because this candle is not closed yet. Okay, so we gotta make sure and wait at the end of the day. If this flip bullish, now NZD/GPY is gonna move on my watch list. Because now we're gonna have the weekly and the daily bullish at that moment, which is also the 4-hour bullish. So now we're gonna update that. So this is our new high on the 4-hour, and this is our new higher low on the 4-hour. So right now Yeah, so which is good because I mean, if we have a push like this, let's say that this candle closed like this, we're just gonna wait. Just gonna wait for the daily to come down, retest previous structure to continue up, which is also, if you look, this pullback to retest this structure will be also the pullback needed on the 4 hour time frame to continue to the upside. So that's really good. I'm actually gonna put the blue label here. I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one because this might look good for tomorrow, Thursday or Friday ish. Okay, so keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it first here. Okay, so okay, so let's see. I think we got a question popping. Let's see. Krish, morning, G. How you doing, Krish? Krish, how come you? Oh no, it's Forex Talk Over Beer that you watch on the replay. Sorry, GCAT awaiting SOS to hop in. Okay. Let's go check it out. Ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce you, GBB CAD. Okay. I don't know. I'm being stupid this morning. So this was a little paper trade yesterday that I wanted to see if it would work. Like you see, it didn't work. So we can definitely remove that one. So now let's see. Let's see what we got. Here. Um, you're waiting for SOS to opt in, but you're waiting for. Hold on, let me check. Okay, so we got the weekly bearish, we got the daily bearish here. We got a new lower low right here. Okay, so weekly. Let's identify our. I mean, first one came down. They destroyed all the area of interest on the weekly. Let's take a look on the daily. Um, daily. There's this support. Is there anything else? Yeah. Okay. It looks like we got an area of interest here. So let's mark it down. Daily area of interest. All right. So we're coming up to retest this thing, which also I think that's going to be in sync with the golden zone if I'm not wrong. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, Krish, you got my attention here. Daily golden zone. Krish is making some good work, man. He's sending me chart like almost every day. He's working very, very hard, and he deserves to be successful. Okay, so here we got the 4 hour pullback. This is the new lower low. For people asking, this is not an elbow. This is like a doji write-off candle. So if it's a write-off candle, remove it. Push this candle beside it, and you don't have an elbow, right? So, and that should be also. I mean, it's the same thing, right? It's gonna be in sync with that H4 golden zone, right? So that's good. Okay, awesome. Now let's see. Is there anything else? Like, is there a major QP there? Let's see. We got a major QP at 7. Major QP setting. Okay, so major QP has been broken. Okay, where's the next one? The next one's going to be higher. There's a 500, which is all. It's not a major QP, but it's a QP. So, but we clearly destroyed that one so far. Next one's going to be like at 71.0000. But the 500 is also very interesting. The 500 are really strong usually. So, like right around here. Actually, let's mark it down. Here we go. Like just to give you an idea, this used to be my oops. Now we're way above, but back then I was putting all those QPs on my chart. Like I'm gonna try to find like you see. So here, and just to give you an idea, okay, this is just to give you an idea. Like look at how well it's respected. Look at those wick. Look at those support being formed right on those major QPs. Look at here. Look there. The blue one are regular QP. You got the middle one, which is the 500. Look again. Look at this support. Like when you start looking at this, you're like, oh, Lee, look at those. Look at those rejection right on the dot, dude, on that QP, right on the dot. It's crazy. Um, yeah, very insane in a member. And there's also the undershot level. Okay, so meaning that when you pass this major QP here, the 750 is usually the undershot level. And what happened there? You get form support at the undershot level to continue to the upside. That's a reverse pattern. So, anyways, I don't want to show you that today, guys, but that's something very interesting. Anyways, let's go back to NZD Sorry, man, ADHD kicked in. Where were we? No, GCAD. Yeah, sorry, guys. Okay, so let's go back to GCAD. Sorry, man. I was like, dude, where are we? November, December. Here we go. Cool. Perfect. Okay, so now, so let's focus here. So we are bearish on the weekly. We are bearish on the daily. We are bearish on the 4-hour. Man, life is good. Let's put this green. Let's put it up. And this trade is coming. This trade suggestions coming from Krish. So let's take a look here. I'm telling you guys, I didn't have time to look at this morning, so I'm doing this live with you. All right, so 1 hour. So 1 hour went bullish. So 1 hour, we're gonna update that. Here we go. And yeah. Let's change that for higher low. Yeah, that sucks though. Yeah, the thing I wish is for price to do this here on the 1 hour. Something like this, a pullback, break to the upside, creating a high, and once you break under that one, wait for that retest to continue to the downside. And this is where you want to be looking at your entries. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, same kind of thing. So let's put that 30-minute bull. Let's delete that one. And this is our new higher high. And this is our new higher low. Okay. So yeah, same kind of concept here on the 30-minute. So yeah, so waiting for the 30 or the 1 hour to go back bearish. What about 2 hours? 2 hours just straight bullish. Okay. So yeah, so just got to be patient here, but that's looking pretty good. It's looking good, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Let's move on to Euro GPY. I think I got this message here. QP stands for quarter points, Ferris. Yeah. It's called the quarter points theory. I'm sure you can find stuff on the web. It's something I actually included in the course back then. Something that I studied with one of the mentors that I had. And always been including it in my chart breakdown, because, I see that it's being respected so well. So, man, working and walking at the same time, not bad. Trying to drink it in a glass as walking, challenge. So next time I think I'll get something that with a straw or something so I don't spill water all over my keyboard. Okay. So, Euro USD, should we take retracement? I don't know. That's a good question. I didn't look at it. So, let's go. Let's go take a look at it then. Um, Euro USD. Euro USD. Where are you? Euro USD. Oh, right here. Man, this trade was massive. But anyways, okay. So now we're back in this. But now, no. Wait a second. Okay, who asked that? Nyan Squad. Okay, so um, right now it's a no go. I mean, no go for now. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, holy dude, it was really close to turn bullish here. I mean, if the daily stays bearish, yes, because we got the weekly and the daily still bearish. I really don't like this right now. Like, I really don't like this. This looked like we're about to break structure to the upside. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and look at that 4 hour. Look, just to give you an idea, 4 hours bullish. Where's that retracement? Boom, boom, right at the golden zone. And now we're starting to pump. So I don't know. I personally not touching that. Yeah, for me to touch it, I need 4 hour to go bearish. Oops, what the fuck? Bearish with a crooked arrow. Sorry, guys. But yeah. So for now, it's Euro USD is on pause. Like, I would tell Euro USD, yo, go take a coffee, and when you're done, we'll discuss. All right, so let's move on. What else? Look at USD GPY. It's breaking. USD GPY. Man, every time I hear this pair, it remind me like when I got started trading. Like, I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. I can't remember. Okay, let's see. So we got a weekly. Weekly is bullish. 1 kilometer done. Um. Okay, so we got the weekly bullish. We are probably at the safety net right now. If I'm not wrong. Look at this. On guys, you know, look at this. Look at this rejection. Damn. Cannot be more precise than this. Okay, so safety net rejection. We came down, retest previous structure on the weekly. Daily is bearish. So 4 hour is bearish. Nah. For me to take it to the upside, I need the daily to go back bullish. If you want to take the intraday trade to the downside, you got the daily and the 4 hour bearish. Let's take a look for intraday potential. We're rejecting this safety net right here. Let's go take a look on the 1 hour. $30-minute. I don't really like this elbow, to be honest. Like, this is so not clean. Like, you don't have an elbow here. Like, you don't have an elbow. An elbow, how it turns, it's not, this is not an elbow. This is flat, right? So, do you see, like, there's no elbow here. There's no sharp turn. You see, this is a sharp turn. There's no turn. This is a turn. There's no turn here. So that's why for me it's effy. I really don't like those. Every time I took those in the past, I got screwed up. So Now I avoid those. And if I miss the trade, I fucking miss the trade. I don't care. I prefer missing the trade and having a loss. It's just me. I don't know you guys. But FOMO, yeah, FOMO is still there once in a while. Don't get me wrong. Like especially when I go on vacation or I come back from a trip. It's been a while, I didn't trade. I'm always acting stupid at that moment, and I always know, always get an L coming back. That's part of the game. Um, you see, a couple weeks ago or a couple of days ago, I can't remember when it was, but we were discussing like those big wicks. Look at this, jet fuel, man, rocket fuel. Look at this, bam, shoot up. So, so yeah, okay. So for me, to the downside, for me right now, it's a no go. I would wait for something cleaner, or I would miss the trade. To be honest, I just don't like this. I really, really don't like that kind of elbow. But that's just me. Okay, so now let's move on. There's enough pairs that are clean that why trying to trade on something that we're not so sure or it's not that clean. I mean, on the total of freaking Forex pair out there, I'm sure you can find one clean one, you know? So why trying to gamble on something that it's not like yeah, it might be an elbow. Like right away, if he's like, yeah, it kind of look, dude. It's like meeting a woman in a club. She kind of look good. Are you gonna switch to the other one, or are you gonna take the one that kind of look good? So I mean, fuck, you're in a club. There's many women. Go see another one, right? This is me being stupid this morning. But this is just an example, and I hope it makes sense. And for the woman looking or listening, it's the same thing on the opposite side. That's even better for you because usually in a club there's more men. So if you're looking at a man that kind of look good, I mean, come on. I mean, there's tons of those probably looking at you and wishing you come talk to them. So don't force yourself into something that's kind of sketchy, right? So trading is the same shit, guys. Trading is the same shit. So, anyways, man, it's getting hot in here. Whoa, give me 1 second. Whew, okay. The hoodie had to be removed. Okay, so now let's move on. I think there's another here. Come on. Okay. Okay, so we talked about that one. We talked about that. That G trade that I missed was good, wasn't it? Only if price give retest again. Yeah, correct, Chris. You're right. Because Chris sent me a chart this morning. So okay, so now let's go. GJ. Okay, so GJ, this is the trade I took last week. Thank God I was able to secure some profits, but I had two positions that got stopped out at break even. Okay, so one of the position I exited. Where was it? On open market on Sunday. We kind of rejected around the 180 major QP. And when I saw that, especially after Friday rejecting that undershot level, I was like, you know what? Let me close one position in full. Just I want to secure some profit. So that was around around a 2.5, 2.5 to 1. I think it was like a little less than that, 2.41, 2.42, something like that. I don't have the exact number, I didn't look, but I had three position on that one. So basically I was risking 1% on each. So basically did like close to 2.5% on one position, and the other two got stopped at break even. Okay, so what happens on Friday, since over the weekend market can be a little like FE when market open. I'm like, you know what? I don't want to turn this into a loser. So let me make sure my stop at break even. So I moved all my stop at break even, but I actually hold it through the weekend. I was really hesitant on closing on Friday, but it would be around the same. So anyway, so I closed on market open one position, and the other two got stopped out at break even. So, so at least no damage and a little bit of profit. Okay. Um. Okay. Um. So now, what's going on with GJ? Let's take a look. GJ's coming back above here, and if you remember, guys, 2 weeks ago when this candle came down over here, I was saying if we're come down and we got this retest here, holy, we are in for a ride downtown, baby. But didn't happen. Okay. We actually came down. We were able to grab some money, but price looked like it was a little fake out here. So actually now we need to update this line because now the weekly is actually bearish. So let's flip this. Weekly lower low and weekly lower high. Here we go. Whoops. What did I do? Weekly lower high. Here we go. Perfect. All right. So now the weekly is bearish. The daily is at the moment daily is still bearish. Once this close above, daily flips bullish. That would suck. That would suck, to be honest, because I would love to see GJ down. Because there's good potential. I mean, look at this clean traffic to the left side. Like, look left. Like, I always tell people, like, something I learned with one of the other mentors that I had is like, always look left. Look here. Once you break this, look here. Clean traffic here. There's no noise, right? So you can have some clean moves down there. Daily. Okay, we said daily is bearish for now. 4 hour is still bearish too. So yeah, gotta wait, man. Gotta wait. Got to wait. Look at this rejection here of this resistance, which is also the 180. Is it 184? 184, yeah, correct. 184 right here. Major QP. Twice. Boom, forming resistance there. And look at this rejection right at this major QP. All right, so we got to wait for GJ. GCAD looking nice. Euro GPY, let's update this. All right, so looking at the weekly here. Let's update our shit. So we got our lower low. Boom. Daily is bearish at the moment, but once this candle close above, it's going to be flipping bullish. So same thing as GJ. We're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait. But difference is the 4 hours is bullish now. So let's update this. Bam. There we go. All right, Euro NZD. Weekly. Guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask. All right, cool. So weekly is still bearish. I was really hoping for like a bigger retest, like something here or something there, but look like this shit is just like ranging. Daily, hold on, wait a second. Yeah, okay, we're good. Daily now is bullish. So yeah, gotta wait. 4 hours bullish. Yeah. And I don't, yeah, you know what? Intraday trade, maybe. But yeah, I don't like this. And if you look left, like look at this noise here. So I'm not willing to take an intraday trade here. So this is gonna be switching blue because it's not close to be ready. GU weekly. This is something I sent, I think, yesterday on Discord. It was two ideas. You had an intraday potential and a swing. But let's see if anything changed because I didn't look at it. So we got a weekly bearish pull back inside that golden zone at the weekly area of interest at a major QP. So like everything's in place. Daily is bullish. So I placed my alert here saying daily going bearish, and this is the swing idea. And for the look at this. This is pretty good. Intraday potential. Look at this. Boom. I said pull back inside that golden zone. Hopefully some of you caught that yesterday. I sent that very early yesterday, so hopefully you were able to grab something here. Oh, man, this was actually beautiful. Woo! Nice doji here. Okay. So this was actually pretty good. Actually, let's remove some arrows here. It's getting confusing. Here we go. Okay. So let's go take a look. There wasn't any entry on the 30-minute or 1 hour here for intraday. This was actually pretty good because if you look, so here from there to there, you're bullish. But let's actually, yeah, let's delete those ones so it's not confusing. So this is your new H1 higher high. This is your new H1 higher low. So anything in between is still bullish, right? So what you wait for your entry signal. Entry signal is right there. God damn it! I hope you guys, because I was not looking at the market yesterday. I had some meetings. So here, actually, let's put 5 pips under that support here to the left. So here we are at 36, so plus 5. That means like 41-ish. And you're already at a 2.121. So I'm pretty sure you can aim 2.5 here for intraday. For intraday, I usually like go for 2.1 or 2.5. It depends. Here we go. Man, I hope you guys got that because this, I sent it yesterday. Damn, this was quite nice. Actually, I'm going to mark it here. Oops. Paper trade. Trade idea sent Monday morning on Discord. Just going to keep a note for Thursday night. Forex stop every beer. Yeah. All right. Cool. So now at this stage, you don't want to enter anything right now. You know, you let it play out. Don't touch anything. Yeah, pretty good. Euro NZD, weekly. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. All right. So if you're finding a tiny bit of value here, or just feeling nice, just elbow drop the like button. Okay. Trying to build back the audience. Let's go. Okay. So daily, weekly. Sorry, weekly. Oh, we talked about that one, did we? Yeah. So daily here. Yeah. Oh well, gotta wait. Okay. 80 GPY. Weekly. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, okay. This looking good. I love those retracements. Look at this. Sitting on that safety net. After what? After a doji rejection. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So now what else? If you look at the daily here, the daily flipped bullish. Daily high. And oops. Daily high low. Man, you see this arrow? I was like, break the high, break the structure, come down and retest. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. So now, weekly is already bullish. Daily is bullish now. actually, it's not closed yet, this candle. So it's not bullish yet. It's not bullish yet, but it's pretty strong candle. So let's say that this closed bullish. This is already bullish. 4 high. We got the pullback here. Very low. So at this stage, I'm waiting for the H4 pullback. So this is looking actually pretty good now. I'm gonna put green, even if the daily is not closed yet. I'm gonna wait. Obviously, it's not for today. It's probably gonna be for tomorrow, or Thursday or Friday. But this looked pretty clean. This looked pretty clean. Yep. But again, like, yeah, I should not update this right now. So I should put. So I just, because sometimes I can do stupid shit, right? So let me just put it back. That can be me. ADHD kicked in. I'm like, oh shit, everything's bullish. The lines are blue. All right, let's go. Yeah, sometime. So yeah. So once this candle closed though, tomorrow, looking good. Looking good. Okay. I think we got some good potential here. Euro NZD. Talked about that one. Euro GPP. Let's see. Yeah, this one, man, this one I'm waiting. Look at this. I think we rejected 382 here, retesting previous structure also. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. Look at this. We rejected 382. Previous structure here, which is also a daily area of interest. Okay, looking good. Daily is bearish, obviously. Okay. 4 is, let me remove this arrow so it's not confusing here. Okay, so 4 is a flip bullish here. All right. All right. It didn't flip because this was not an elbow, so it was still bullish. Pull back. Look. I'm pretty sure this is right here. Look at this. Boom. Rejection of that safety net. Support form. Push to the upside. Easy. So now at this stage, I need 4 to go bearish. There we go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We are set. Okay, so we get a weekly bearish. We have the daily bearish. Now we got the pullback. 4 just need to flip bearish. Awesome. But to be honest, I would prefer, so this would be something I would prefer. It's something like this. Pull back here, push up, push up, something like this, really rejection of that golden zone, come down, flip bearish by breaking this support and looking at the entry around this area. So that would be the ideal setup for me. Like, because the thing is, I fight, if we take it like once it break here, it just RR is not that interesting. I mean, it's gonna be good, but it would be better above here. So we shall see. NZD GPY. Have you ever tried to dance while walking on your walking path? You can follow a beat or something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna try anything because can you imagine, man? Me flying on the wall. Whoa! This actually almost happened right there. Okay, so let's focus. So we got a weekly here, bullish. Man, I love that. Like, I like this. Like, this is beautiful. Look at this. Once again, rejection of the safety net. retesting, weekly area of interest. Okay. Daily. Daily, awesome. It's the same GPY pair, right? So I'm actually going to move this green. Man, there's a lot of GPY pair looking good now. Again, we need that candle to close above, and that's going to be the same shit as the other one. So you see, when you see those, why trying to force down your throat the kind of effy elbow that we were talking about, right? And this is not to target, I can't remember who asked that question, but it's not to target you specifically, by the way, but it's just because I had the same problem. I had the same problem, and I know many of you that's trying to use this strategy having a hard freaking problem identifying those elbows. That was my biggest challenge, I think, in that strategy. Um, so I just want to try to help here. Okay, so Euro NZD here. Did we talk about that one? Yeah, I hate those small pullbacks. I hate those small pullbacks. But if we go back bearish, I'll wait for the retest of here and to continue to the downside. Euro GBP, we just talked about it. NZD CAD. NZD CAD, man, this freaking pair. Whew. This freaking pair I've been watching since March last year. God damn. Daily. Daily about to flip bullish though. That would be insane. Not insane, but that would be great. Like if this close above, now I'm looking to go back on a very long ass trade. Because look at this potential here. Like put up, retest, and which is the retest on the date if I'm not wrong. Yeah, exactly. So previous structure, pull up, retest, double bottom on the daily. I mean, look at this. Cannot be more clean than this, you know. Double bottom here to the upside. So basically, you wait for the retest of the neckline here to continue to the upside. You see, there's no one way to trade. You know, there's many things that I grabbed from learning and I put all together, right? So that's why when you watch someone, sometimes you're like, oh man, he's only doing this and that works. Guys, don't get fooled. Don't get fooled. Social media a pain, dude. Like people are so dumb on social media. Like they post shit that I don't know. It drives me nuts. Like they show that as this so easy. It's not, guys. It's very, very hard. If it was easy, everyone would do it. You know, don't get me wrong. So it's a lot of time, a lot of chart work, a lot of knowledge, a lot of course. You know, if you don't invest in yourself, I don't know what you guys doing. You know, I invested in myself in courses and learning, boot camp, mentorship, whatever you want to call it. I would say at least 25. I always love to learn, you know, like learn new shit, you know, incorporate it into my things. So I don't feel like no one can be like perfect or the top. Even the top, like even if you watching basketball players, Michael Jordan, one of the best basketball player. I don't follow a lot of basketball, but I know for a fact that Michael Jordan is one of the best basketball player of all time. And this guy was practicing more than anyone. You know, even if it was like at his peak, he was keep continuing practicing. Same thing with hockey players, golfers, you know, like the one at the top, they're not sitting on their ass and say, yeah, you know what? I did it. You know? So that's a problem with some traders. And I had that problem at one point, you know. At one point, I was like, damn, I'm doing it. Yeah, I got this. That shit is easy. Man, and suddenly you kind of stop working. You just grabbing trades there and there, looking cool, you know. But this is gonna catch you back, you know. So yeah, never stop training. Train your brain, train your eyes, looking at a chart. Be like an athlete. Forex is a sport. It's a very hardcore sport. Keep keep training. Keep investing in yourself. Keep being better. Like working at being better. Like trader that sit on their ass, dude. I don't believe that. Long term, that shit's gonna catch them back. Yeah. Anyways, that was just an insight talk here. AG, I think I missed a comment here. Daily isn't closed yet, Sensei, on AG. Oh yeah, I think I just did I switch it back? Yeah, I switch it back. Yeah, you're right. I think GPY rate decision last night around that push, probably. Okay. Okay, so let's move to what time is it? 8:24. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. This. Okay, Cat GPY. Let's talk about Cat GPY. We got a weekly bullish. Daily. Right now, it's the same shit with all the GPI pair. So GPY pair. So I think after that there was GA. Hold on, Chris. Was it GA that you had a trade idea? No, it was not GA. Which one was it? Which one you sent? GCAD. Okay. Okay, so here. All right, so here we got. Let's start from the weekly though. Weekly here is bearish. All right. But we don't have we got a tiny baby pullback. I don't like that. Daily still bearish. 4 hours bearish, but yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I think we got enough good potential here. Do you guys got anything else you want to take a look at? Because at one point, if you have too much, also that happened to me a couple months ago. I had so many pair that was looking hot that I actually missed 5 trades, because I was not able to keep up, So, Krish, it was GC, yeah. It was GCAD. Oh, Canada. Yeah, G is gone. Yeah, G is totally gone. Woo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go back to my breeding session here, because I got a lot of horse to breed, a lot of racing horse. Yeah, man, this shit, guys, you can actually try it for free. Let me show it to you very quickly, because I'm sure some of you guys are gonna be interested in this. It's called Photo Finish Live. You can create an account for free. They're gonna give you a training horse, so you can practice and test it. But once you get into the game, you can actually buy horses. So if you look here, you got Marketplace. So you can buy horses. This is 220,000 Derby. Just to give you an idea, $1, $1 equal 80 Derby. So that means to have the price of this one, you go 220. I actually bought one yesterday at that price. 220 divided by 80. That's 2,750 USD. But that's an expensive one. But there's some cheaper one. Whatever. So you can buy a horse. You can breed them. You can create new horses for next season. Season start every month. Anyways, guys, this is a very, very, very crazy game that actually makes money. You earn money while racing. Just going to show you here. This is 4 of my racer, 5 of my racers. Like you see yesterday, one race, she made $67. But that horse, actually, the only thing I paid for that horse was the breeding fee, because I had a female that actually gave birth to that horse. So it cost me 4,400 derby, meaning that, I'm already a 50% ROI right now after one race. Crazy, you know. Um, Drizzle Duke made $13, $14. That was a smaller race. But yeah, like this guy. This guy just retired him, made $726 racing like small racing. Look, the green are the winners. Even if you don't win, you're making money. Look at this. Cost me $14 to enter the race, made $24. This shit is crazy. It's printing money. Literally printing money. So yeah, anyways. So I just want to show it to you guys because I think it's a very big potential. The token that's related to it, it's called Crown. You definitely want to check that Crown. It's pumping very, very hard. All right. Any questions, guys? Any question? No question? All right, guys. So this was fun. Thank you so much for being here this morning. We're going to be live again Thursday night for Forex Talk over beer, 6 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to tune in, grab your beer, grab your drink. We're going to break down some trades and see some trade potential for the next upcoming days. Plus, this Thursday is going to be a special edition Christmas edition. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, it's going to be fun. All right, so I'll see you Thursday night and enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Take care.